Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for November 12th, 2015. It's been a few days. I do apologize, and I do apologize for the voice, but we're going to give this a shot for today and see where it goes. Temperatures this morning range from the mid to upper 40s over the interior, lower to mid 50s along the coast, and we do have some showers moving through the region. Most of the rainfall is not reaching the ground, but where it is, we do have a heavy downpour around Poughkeepsie and around central Pennsylvania. These showers will be moving through the region today, on and off, especially this afternoon. But the main story is going to be the strong winds that follows the passage of this cold front by the time we get to tomorrow and for Saturday. On the latest radar, you can see there's more bark here than bite. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, but this part here is producing some moderate to heavy rainfall. But the radar would suggest some intense heavy downpours, but we're really not seeing that in the observations. What we are seeing is scattered showers developing throughout the region, and this will continue to lift from southwest to northeast today ahead of the cold front, which is still in the Ohio River Valley. On the latest infrared satellite picture, you can see our cold front is moving through the Ohio River Valley. This right here is associated with a warm front at the mid levels of the atmosphere, producing some enhanced lifting. But as you can see, the upper level low with this low pressure system, along with the surface low, is lifting to the northeast towards the St. Lawrence River Valley and to the north of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area. On our national surface map, the key story here is going to be this intense low pressure system and this high pressure system and how they're going to interact. As this low pressure system lifts up to the northeast towards the Canadian Maritimes, this high pressure system will build in, and as a result, what we call a pressure gradient will support strong westerly and northwesterly winds tomorrow on through Saturday, ranging anywhere from 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts over 30 miles per hour. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, look for scattered showers. A few showers may be heavy at times. Look for highs in the upper 50s along the coast, lower to mid 60s in the Delaware River Valley. For this evening, a few lingering showers. Winds will start to veer to the west as the cold front moves through. Overnight tonight, look for clearing skies with winds increasing from the west at 5 to 15 miles per hour. And by tomorrow morning, you have a westerly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. You can see that pressure gradient starting to set up. Now, with that pressure gradient setting up, look for winds again, 10 to 20 miles per hour, with lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, but they'll feel much more chillier. By the time we get to the afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover. Could see a flurry or two over northeastern Pennsylvania. Other than that, look for scattered cloud cover. Winds again from the west and northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour higher gusts, highs in the upper 50s. And on Saturday, we're going to continue that strong northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour with higher gusts over 30 miles per hour. There will be a threat for a few isolated flurries over northeastern Pennsylvania. Wouldn't rule out northern New Jersey and the Hudson River Valley as well, especially with those strong winds. Temperatures are going to be very chilly, looking for lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 40s to lower 50s for highs, so much chillier than we have been for the past several days. Moving on for Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, high pressure will be in complete control, but will be moving east of the region, and that, of course, is going to mean winds are going to veer to the southwest with warmer conditions. On Sunday, look for lows in the mid to upper 30s, highs in the mid 50s. On Monday, lows in the mid 40s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. On Tuesday, lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. And then on Wednesday, a cold front will approach with increasing clouds. Look for some showers in the evening, lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s, highs in the lower to mid 60s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.